Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn top 9 foods to lower cholesterol. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. Cholesterol is a waxy substance that travels through the bloodstream as a part of two different lipoproteins, low-density lipoprotein, LDL, and high-density lipoprotein, HDL. People sometimes refer to LDL cholesterol as bad cholesterol because it causes fatty deposits to build up in the blood vessels. These deposits can block blood flow and cause heart attacks or strokes. HDL, or good cholesterol, helps remove cholesterol from the body through the liver. High levels of HDL cholesterol can reduce the risk of heart problems and strokes. Cholesterol is measured in milligrams per deciliter, milligram DL. The guidelines for healthy cholesterol levels are as follows. Total cholesterol below 200 mg per deciliter. LDL cholesterol less than 100 mg per deciliter. HDL cholesterol above 40 mg per deciliter. Here are top 9 foods to lower cholesterol. Number 1. Eggplant. Eggplant is high in dietary fiber. A 100-gram portion contains 3 grams of fiber. As the American Heart Association point out, fiber helps improve blood cholesterol levels. It also reduces the risk of developing heart disease, stroke, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Number 2. Okra. Researchers have found that a gel in okra called mucilage can help lower cholesterol by binding to it during digestion. This helps cholesterol leave the body through stool. Number 3. Apples. A small 2019 study found that among 40 participants with mildly high cholesterol, eating 2 apples a day reduced both total and LDL cholesterol levels. It also lowered levels of triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood. 1 apple can contain 3 to 7 grams of dietary fiber, depending on its size. In addition, apples contain compounds called polyphenols, which may also have a positive impact on cholesterol levels. Number 4. Avocado. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy nutrients. A 2015 study concluded that eating 1 avocado a day as part of a moderate-fat, cholesterol-lowering diet can improve cardiovascular disease risk, specifically by lowering LDL cholesterol without lowering HDL cholesterol. 1 cup, or 150 g, of avocado contains 14.7 grams of monounsaturated fats, which can reduce LDL cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease and strokes. Number 5. Oats. Oats significantly improved blood cholesterol levels over a period of 4 weeks in a small 2017 study. Participants with mildly elevated cholesterol levels ate 70 grams of oats per day in the form of porridge. This provided them with 3 grams of soluble fiber per day, the amount that is needed to lower cholesterol, according to research. The team found that the participants' LDL cholesterol levels fell by 11.6% in 28 days. Other research confirms that the soluble fiber in oats lowers LDL cholesterol levels and can improve cardiovascular risk as part of a heart-healthy diet. Number 6. Barley. A 2018 study concluded that beta-glucan, a type of soluble dietary fiber found in barley, as well as oats, can help lower LDL cholesterol. The team found that beta-glucan reduces LDL cholesterol by trapping bile acids and limiting how much cholesterol the body absorbs during digestion. The body uses cholesterol to produce bile acids, replacing those that are trapped, which leads to an overall reduction in cholesterol levels. Number 7. Lentils. Lentils are rich in fiber, containing 3.3 grams per 100-gram portion. Fiber can prevent the body from absorbing cholesterol into the bloodstream. A small 2015 study that included 39 participants who had type 2 diabetes and were overweight or had obesity demonstrated the positive effects of eating lentils on cholesterol levels. After 8 weeks of eating 60 grams of lentil sprouts per day, HDL levels improved, and LDL and triglyceride levels decreased. Number 8. Soy. A 2019 analysis of 46 investigations into the effects of soy on LDL cholesterol found that a median intake of 25 grams of soy protein per day over 6 weeks lowered LDL cholesterol by a clinically significant 4.76 milligrams per deciliter. Overall, the researchers concluded that soy protein can reduce LDL cholesterol by around 3 to 4% in adults, cementing its place in a heart-healthy, cholesterol-lowering diet. Number 9. Fish. EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, can help protect the blood vessels and heart from disease by lowering levels of triglycerides, a fat that enters the bloodstream after a meal. This is one of many ways that it may prevent atherosclerosis and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Keeping LDL cholesterol levels low is important, as it decreases the risk of heart disease and stroke. A person can do this by maintaining a healthy diet that includes high-fiber fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, fatty fish, unprocessed soy, and the occasional dark chocolate treat. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best from the 5-Minute Health Tips team.